What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. So of course, today we got a mod Monday. Today we are adding something to the Toyota Tacoma. Now, this was supposed to be done like 2 weeks ago, but the weather has not been permitting at all. So I've already unboxed this. Forgive me for the poor unboxing, but this is what we're adding in today's video. If you're at all interested in adding something like this, there will be an exclusive discount code down below. I don't know how to say their name, but they're the same people that did these and have been supporting the channel for a very, very long time. But we're gonna get this bad boy installed on the truck. First things first, you gotta open up the hood. Once you have the hood opened up, you're gonna wanna take the grill off. So to take the grill off, there's one screw here, and then you have some tabs right here. One right here, and then one right here. Also, make sure if you do have a front sensor, there's a clip right here that you have to pop out, another one right here, and make sure you disconnect it, because if you start pulling on it, that would not be a good day. After you take out 1, 2, 3, 4, all you have to do is kind of lift up, pop out, and it'll come right out. So you do have to tug a little bit. It's a little bit scary at first, but I promise it'll be okay. Alrighty, now that you have the grill off, you're gonna want to take this piece off, all you have to do is take this one plastic clip out and it should come out. Now the reason you want to take these two off is because you are gonna need to access this bolt right here. We just want to make sure we have as much room available. It's time to take off 2 bolts. So we have to take those 2 bolts off. So there's one up top and there's one at the bottom. Same on that side. You do need a 14mm socket to get that out. So we got the bolts out. There's 2 bolts right there and then 2 right here. There's plastic right here. Okay, that plastic, the camera doesn't want to focus, but we have to cut it up. Why? Because this is our mounting point and we need it to go up, and that plastic is just a little bit in the way, so we're going to cut a little bit, not too much. I promise. It doesn't need to be a massive hole, it just needs to let the bracket come through that area, and then you'll be good to go. What you're going to want to do is line these 2 holes up with the bolts right there. So I found it easiest to go underneath, kind of wiggle it up into place right there. Grab the 2 bolts that you were using originally and just put them on there hand tight. Then you're going to grab one of these bad boys, 2 of those, one of these, 2 of those. So 2, 2, 1, 1. And let's get this show on the road. You see this hole right here? So it's gonna go in between. It's gonna go in between there. Get the bolt in between there, and then of course straight across. There's a hole for it to come out of. Right there. You're gonna want to grab the spacer, grab the washer, the lock wash, and then the bolt. I'm doing this all one-handed. I guess that just goes to show, just take your time, and you should be able to do it all no problemo. Now we have to install the actual plate. So this one right here is gonna go in like this. All you need is one of these, one of the lock washes. Put that bad boy on there, one of these. You're all good to go. I consider myself a very amateur DIYer. Now I will give you some tips. It says to assemble this part onto this part and then put it on. Thing that I found with that is that there's a lot of play that you have to keep unscrewing this, and hoping that it lines up perfectly. So what I ended up doing after like 20 minutes of trying is I just tightened these up, right? I tightened this part to the actual part that's connected to the frame. I tightened it up to be exactly the same on both sides. After that, I held this up with my knee and then put the bolt in back here. This bolt went in absolutely no problemo. Now all we have left to do is put the grill back on, and we should be a-okay. So without further ado, here we go. I think it looks absolutely crazy nice. It just makes the truck look that much more like aggressive and mean and just get out my way. It makes you feel like you could like conquer the entire world. It definitely does look very nice. I think it looks good. Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys think. Also, if you're in Virginia and you're a police officer, do you think I can keep my license plate down here, or should I just put it up here blocking that logo? I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it blocking the logo for now. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So this is what we look like with the license plate on. So it's not too much of a big difference. Now that I'm starting to look at it, it doesn't look too bad. And I also like that it represents the Aing. Big shout out to OEDRO for sending out this bull bar. They will be doing a huge discount if you're interested in this, link down below. It's super easy to install. It came packaged super nice, and it makes the truck look a lot more aggressive. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I think the truck is coming along very nice. It's been your boy. I'm Mario Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.